Welcome to my 9th video. I'm going to show you how to get this sound test menu in Sonic 1, and I'll show you how to get Super Sonic in Sonic 1. And you guys thinking, Super Sonic is not in Sonic 1, it's only 6 chaos emeralds. Okay, so press the Sega. If you don't know how to do it, press S-E-E-Y and hold 2 fingers on it until you get to this sound effect. Why did I just do that? But yeah, Sonics, just do that, and I have to restart again because, yeah, I did that on accident. I'm sorry. And yeah, I click on no save and click on Sonic. Oh yeah, my app is at 10. And yeah, press S-E-G-A, then you hear a ring sound. Then hold 2 fingers on it. And then, yeah, until the title screen. Then go till you're at the sound test. And to get the emeralds, you gotta do max emeralds. And then to get the emeralds, it's yeah, guys. 4, 1, 2, 6. And then you hear a chaos emerald sound. Then type in Sonic's birthday. It's 1, 9, 9. And then 2, 3. And then we go in any one. I never played Starlight Zone in my life. Okay, so do Starlight Zone. Yeah, Starlight Zone Act 1. Okay, let's get 58. We can sing that, by the way. Yeah. I love this! This is amazing! Shading, bang bang painting. Okay. We're gonna get to Sonic. This episode is Sonic 1. This is actually my first episode of Sonic 1, by the way. And yeah, this is amazing. I love this. And for some reason, I hate Sonic 1 because I hate, oh yeah, Marble Zone 3. It's really the worst zone I ever played in my life, ever. Because, I die every time I go to the lava. That sucks. Oops. Okay, gotta hit that. Bottom, and then a shape, then go down, and then just do that with all of these. You see, I got 39. And yeah. Got 37. Yes. Okay, and then, yeah, we're gonna get 50 rings to turn super, guys. And Super Sonic is the best. Which one is Hyper Sonic? Super Sonic, I told you!